Nane Yankopon kwa mi abo soro asase Nane Yankopon kwa mi abo nkwabo owo within the Yehowa wonyame mu Yankopon totrobo nso obo ade woni Awurade obunkuni twedi ampon yo odoma nkoma Nane Yankopon kwa mi asase wura ogumi nyame eno
Oje froze Salamatu madam salamatu
ye jado nu epemo dasibre ye papa do nu epemo Nane Yankopon ye wonu epemo ye jado nu epemo dasibre Nane nyame oya die ye Awurade oje so nyame wonu epemo
Nezuzo mini ada ngo difference be na wom
Mini no omode nchene egum nchene salt omode nchene egum
okay you know we here normal ngo na what the gum na da
ezomi no ana ayi nsusu no omode ezomi no omo ma asie ebi so ha asie wom asie nkompuro
no omo tibi kan wo okay Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn notification bell so be notified when new video drop, and follow us on Facebook as well. Yeah, so I'm in Offense with Ashanti region and today we are preparing palm oil. So palm oil, other known as red oil, is very popular oil used in lots of African dishes, especially Ghana and Nigeria. And in this video, we are going to watch or see how it's been prepared or processed. Yeah, so palm tree is one of the richest tree on earth and it has so many benefits. We get so many things from palm tree. We can get palm oil, palm wine, palm kernel oil, a lot. We make soup with palm nut. And watch out for all these recipes coming live on Cooking with Sindaco. Stay tuned and stay connected. Oil palm production has been a lifelong activity for many farmers in the area and also the most important edible oil cap in Ghana. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's do this. What's actually process and how are Nyamano Ekofa?
If I try metimi achiro.
Okay.
Edwuma no eba ha se be se fie aduonu
25 years.
25 years. Ebro.
Okay.
Na empa yene hene e na odi sa adwuma yi eba ha. Na wo boa ema ano a wo be di sa adwumadie yi. Na adwumadie ya ye die eye enwo factory. Na enwo factory nya de ye di nko a. Na mmom ye de ye samna enso ka ho. Eti samna no ye pe abe a enye no na omude aye bi ti se we say enye so wo hwe abe ye wa he ya enye anu wudi a enye ye
okay
eti sa na ye de ye samna ye de ye king soap
abe we de king soap
me pa cha ye de ye king soap pa
wow
eti abe na ye no we no eye king soap
sabe no mo agree kene mo wodi bi on fefe we den type
we ya agree
okay 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 we the mo yi ni na
fi we no so ye ya ntum
sa mo de den
soja
okay
ya ntum na bibia ni ho a be bibia ni ho ya tugu
okay
ya di soja na ya kama
Yeah, so it's really amazing, interesting to see this kind of stuff, what they go through and the process that they used to produce as some of the food that we eat. And it's my first time hearing that we use, what do you call it, palm nut to do key soap and soup. Like first time hearing this, it was amazing. Yeah, so after we've taken the palm nuts from down, or for the first phase, they'll bring everything over here for boiling. And this is the boiling process. So they will separate the one that will be used for the soap. and the one that they eat. They don't mix everything together. They make separation. So this is how they add water to it. Do you have the poly tank? Basically, how many hours has that been?
Yeah, 1 hour 30 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes. A bit penny Janus will go.
Sanity. If you show Jan and Tammy and 1 hour.
And we are zooming. We are zooming now. In Gupa. But me young go. But I use zooming. Okay. Let's do many other difference in the room.
Salt.
Okay, you know, we are no more in Guna. What did you do? Another
Domino, and I used to know as Domino. My I see a bit for her, see a compound.
No, I'm to be count. Okay. Every time. Channel. Person there no. And they say Mariko now. So what is that Sabina? Okay. Abi. So where did you know? Okay. It's a bien in Sino Rumbende.
Far.
Negufom. Okay. Okay. Wow.
It is a true for our mother. Yeah, yes, sir, as soon as
like I said, and I'm going to be. It's a butcher man, you cry some other sir.
I try to be a national. Listen, the man wanted.
I'm going to be okay. That I better. Okay.
Nation in my but honestly.
She's here. Wow. So after the nut is okay, this is how we transport everything to the machine for them to pound. Yeah. And everything must be done when hot, because when it gets dry or get cold, the oil will also get cold. I don't know a sack every few things. Okay. At Munyam. At Bakunyam, we are Sana. Okay. Okay. God really bless our women, our mothers. They'll do everything to put food on the table. Under the sun, all the struggles they've been through, they never give up. This is a real definition of hard work and determination. Red oil or palm oil is one of the popular oil that we have in Ghana, and it has so many processing sites in Ghana. But some of the locals or some of the processing sites use real manpower to process this oil. So I believe it's time the government should focus its energy or its resource to these locals. To help them or supply them with the processing machine so that the workflow will be easy. People are willing to work, but since the processing machine is less, it makes them use energy, real energy. And this will also help our mothers who are involved in this kind of production. I've been to the northern part and they use real energy to prepare shea butter, which I believe in Ghana in this 21st century is not. Government should really help, and I believe NGOs can also put their support in this. Thank you. And to you watching, the best thing that you can do to support these locals or this community or these workers is by buying or patronizing the made in Ghana goods or product that they produce. Yeah, a record.
What are they?
Yeah, you are.
I do not feel.
I'm not that
no, where is said my chair? Say, but where are you? Is that many years? Wow. Yeah, so this is the process of making red oil, and you need to boil it. You need to boil it to get the 100% pure palm oil, red oil. So, I don't do so good. I told you so good.
I wouldn't show Buma, who are into.
Into, I'm showing you a bit too. Oh, okay. Okay.
Catherine, I'm about Jenny.
I don't do Jenny account.
I see a bit.
I'm okay. Into Ezomiana. Okay. Man, this is interesting. So we just added our oil, we added water to it, and she's about to add onions to it. Or simply because since we're about to consume this oil, she needs to add onions to it so that it will be like it to have that flavor, yeah, that perfume kind of aroma. No? So the onion is an option, and is this how many hours?
What is this I don't hear say?
Back 1 hour. And the difference here, then it's a beginning. Difference here, then. But the Omoto market, no, Jenny managing Jenny. Ah, okay. Okay. Into we be in him. Most honest na number here go I mean so gum and okay. But we must so.
Yeah, so that's it. This is how red oil production is done or is being processed. Hope you've enjoyed yourself watching the video. Yeah, if you do, kindly give us a huge thumbs up, share, comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a brother that Cooking with Sindaco is bringing you new stuff every day. Let's do this again for Shizzle Manizzle. I'm out.
Okay, so if you want red palm oil, yeah, or you want oil to make soap, you can contact what's your friend say? Salamatu, Madam Salamatu, yeah. Yeah. You can contact our mom, Salamatu, and what's your telephone there?
That number is 0547.
Okay, so you can contact Mama Salamatu 054 7048 984. Yeah, 054 7048 984. Yeah, so when you call her, tell her that you saw the video on YouTube or Facebook and you want red palm oil, yeah, and she'll sort you out. Yeah, I'll call her. Yeah.
Sema bonta na me de flow.